Hello boss, I'm James from GEP Tech. Please check this top brand 6-meter Gantry Machining Center beside me. It's equipped with 4-dimension processing ability, which is widely used in large and complex parts in various industries. It has the characteristics of high speed, high precision, high flexibility, and environmental friendliness. We are so proud to inform you that we belong to one of the very few manufacturers with a machining center like this. We use this machining center to process such relatively large parts like the platforms, the shredding chamber, the base of the motors and the reducers. It is worth mentioning that we are the only supplier in solid waste recycling who is able to provide the integrated shredding chamber since day one, because we always think the quality at the first place and create high values for our customers. So hit me up if you are interested.